Good evening, guys. Hello. Could you confirm me whether I'm an audible, right, for everyone? Please do text me in our chat box. Am I audible, right? Those who are having here. Yes, we'll start our today's session within 2 minutes, guys. Okay. Hope you all are good with your best of health. And meanwhile, please do text me in a chat box if you are facing any problem while connecting audio, or if you are facing any problem, is do text me in a chat box. Okay. And still you are facing a deep problems means once you get logged out and then get in login. Okay. Then everything will be sorted out perfectly. Right? That's great. That's great. Okay. Then hi Rutuja. Hi Susti. How are you? Okay, that's been your time. Okay, then we'll start our today's session, guys. Once again, welcome to all of you. Hi, hello. Right? Right from here, we are going to start again the gravitation. Okay. Up to last class, we are discussing about the gravitation. Kya hota hai. Okay. And then how it will be vary with the two objects. Right? Gravitation field के लिए formula लिखे थे ना हम. क्या था वो? We'll take a recall. Okay. ओके ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड पहला क्लास में क्या पढ़े थे हम ग्रेविटेशन न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन करेक्ट ना इन न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन वी डिराइव्ड अ इक्वेशन F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square right here m1 and m2 are the masses these are especially point masses correct na point masses right r is the separation distance r is the separation distance and g value will be 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 newton meter square per kg square. This is what we call law of gravitation force, gravitational force between a 2 point objects in our universe. I told the few criteria also how the law will be valid and everything. And later on, we discussed about the gravitational field strength. Gravitational field क्या होता है पहले मान लो this is a mass of capital M. ये mass के सराउंडिंग में एक फील्ड होता है mass field. That is nothing but a gravitational. Right? Okay. इसका पास फील्ड है मान लो इधर एक पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट आ गया स्मॉल m. हाँ ओके सृष्टि ओके डोंट शो शो ओके इधर एक स्मॉल मास आ गया इन दिस बड़े मास का फील्ड में ओके एक कैपिटल मास का फील्ड में एक स्मॉल मास आ गया दिस कैपिटल मास है ना इट एक्ट्स सम फोर्स ऑन दिस स्मॉल मास इस स्मॉल मास के ऊपर एक फोर्स लगाता है इसकी तरफ खींचने के लिए करेक्ट ना that force between these two will be gravitational force. How much force will be acting on a unit mass? That is known as the gravitational field strength. क्या बोलते हैं इसको gravitational field strength. Field strength, right? Gravitational field strength we derived like that. Force acting per a unit mass. Force acting per unit mass will call gravitational field strength, right? And also we define one more equation we define I think this force है ना force will call G capital M small m divided by R square. How long it will be there? Correct. Now, if you substitute the force in this equation, then the value of E will become, force means here G capital M small m divided by m is there here R square. M get cancelled, and then E value obtained to be G m by R square. This is what the gravitational field strength. This is what we derived also, I think, yesterday class. Just let me know. These are the things which these are the things are clear, no? In last class. Last class, I hope these are the points which are clear to all of you. Please drop a message in a chat box if it is clear means. Yes, that's great. That's great. Okay, देखो इधर. If you want to write the dimensional formula or SI unit for these things, okay, we'll come to this one later. I would like to add one more slide here. This is very important. This is very important. So no. Okay. Sure. Yes. What is happening here? Okay. Do listen, guys. Here. क्या है ना? This is very important. Note. Actually, we got the equation for gravitational field strength. Force acting for a unit mass. Okay, which is acting force? Source mass. इसके ऊपर test mass के ऊपर. Correct ना? Okay. What is the SI for this one? This is very important. Why I'm telling this is very important? Actually, in electrostatics also we are receiving the electrostatic force, means strength of the electrostatic field will going to learn there, and it is very similar to this one, and it is very similar. Hey, hi guys, Ballari. Okay, it is very similar. कैसे? Here force है, force का SI यूनिट क्या होता है? न्यूटन होता है. ये मास का SI यूनिट होता है kg. This Newton per kg is the SI unit for gravitational field strength. क्या है? Gravitational, लिख दो इसको, gravitational field strength SI unit will be Newton per kg. Why I'm specifying this one? No, because इसके ऊपर maybe need question बनता है. How? I will tell you. First will be option, they will give Newton per kg as a SI unit, and also they might be given a set of physical quantities. इधर क्या होता है देखो, न्यूटन को, नेक्स्ट न्यूटन को हम लिखते हैं kg मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. फोर्स का SI यूनिट ये भी होता है, डिवाइडेड बाय kg है. करेक्ट ना? इधर kg कैंसल, रिमेनिंग थिंग विल बी मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर हो गया. एक्चुअली गाइस, लेट मी नो, this meter per second square is the SI unit for which physical quantity? May I know in a chat box? It belongs to which physical quantity? Hey, today I saw a lot of members in my class. That's great. That's great. That's great. Acceleration. Exactly. Look at here. Exactly. Ah, Ballari. I'm asking about the meter per second square, guys. Okay. Meter per second square. This is what the actually SI unit for acceleration. Okay. Acceleration का भी SI unit है, and electric field strength को gravitational field strength, acceleration and gravitational field strength. Okay, these two sets having a same SI unit. So keep this one in your mind. Okay, there might be arise on question here. नीट के लिए होता है. Actually, you are already faced few क्या बोलते हैं उसको, चैप्टर टेस्ट में पूछता है ना, सेम इन नीट में एक क्वेश्चन आता है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्लियर? ओके, प्लीज डू टेक दिस वन. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, we'll move to the next point. And also yesterday we talk about the one point. क्या था? तीन सेट ऑफ मास था इधर. This is geometrically it is equal in all the direction. At point X, we find out the gravitational field strength. E value we find out, right? At point P क्या होता है? Means point X middle में, exactly at middle, the value will be 0 when the masses are same, right? How? This is one force, this is one force. Actually, these two are not in a exact direction, horizontal or vertical. What we took? Actually, we took these two forces component in this direction. If we are going to call this one as an E3 and E2, this is 2, this is 3, this is will be E1. We solved this one in a last class. Okay, ये दोनों will be opposite direction में होता है. Okay, at the time we got the value of 0. Correct. Now we'll continue this one in today's class. Actually, I given a homework, right? Homework क्या था? Same mass m था. At this point, कौन सा point में? Y point में. Actually, I told you to calculate the gravitational field strength. Gravitational field strength को calculate करने के लिए बोल दिया था. Okay. Right? Gravitational field we need to find out at the point of Y. This is what the actual homework which I assigned. Is there anybody solved this question, or else I will solve this one? Okay, if you are solved means please drop your answer in a chat box, or else I will solve this one. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Cool. And I given a distance also. Separation distance will be a. ये दोनों का बीच में भी ये होता है. Here also it will be a. Right? It's an symmetrical construction configuration, right? At this point Y point पे ऊपर मान लो मास m इसके वजह से एंड इसके वजह से फोर्स एक्ट होता है, इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड डेवलप होता है मास के तरफ, लाइक दिस. मान लो ये मास m1 है, ये m2 है, ये m3 है. Let me do one thing here. I will erase everything and I will write down anything. Okay, so neither. This is mass m1, mass m2, mass m3. These three masses are equal. m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m3. m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m3. These three masses are also equal. Okay, at this particular condition, m1 acts the at this point y point के ऊपर the electrical gravitational field intensity in this direction में होता है. I will call this one as an E1. Similarly, due to m3, the gravitational field strength will be in this direction. I will call E3. Correct. Now, due to m2 towards the mass होता है, means in this direction gravitational field strength, that is E2. Correct. Now, and here masses are same. That's why guys, this E1 and E3, whatever the gravitational strength will be produced towards their masses, their magnitude means numerical value hota hai na, it will be same. Hence, if it is same means these two will become cancel each other, right? Opposite direction, same magnitude, hence they are cancelled each other. Remaining thing will be E2. Correct na? E2 ka gravitational field strength we need to find out, right? That is what the final point. Okay, calculate कर सकते हैं. उसमें क्या है देखो इधर. I will write this configuration here in a separate form. देखो ऐसे लिख रहा हूं मैंने. This is the y point, this is the y point, and two masses are there. No, this is m1, this is m2, this is m2. Okay, in this direction actually E3 is acting. Okay, in this direction we need to calculate means actually हमको पता है formula क्या होता है. E value will be equal to at this point, due to this point, G m divided by R square होता है. Correct ना? G m divided by R square, right? Okay, how to find out the R square value now? Actually we know only value this one. This is A we got. Correct now? And from here to here mass another था ना m3 up to this point ये था, correct, but up to y क्या होता है, ये 2 होता है. Then it is very easy to find out the distance of this one, right? What I'm saying, we need to calculate the distance. This distance चाहिए इधर r के लिए fill करने के लिए, correct ना? कैसे calculate करता है? Actually this is a equilateral triangle. Either angle Pythagoras theorem you apply, it's a better thing. Okay, it is too good thing, or else you can calculate through the trigonometric function also. दोनों साइड से calculate होता है, कोई problem नहीं. I will apply Pythagoras theorem. It's very easy, no? That's why I will give the sides A, B, C. Okay, according to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Just I need to know the value of R, that's it. Okay, if I put the value of R square, everything will be finished. Okay, distance from the point, that is what we require. Okay, AB square means here A square hota hai, that's great. AC square means A by 2 hai, this is A by 2, A by 2, A by 2 whole square plus BC square, that is what R square, no, we need to calculate, right? BC square udhar hi rakh lo. Clear enough? Now take this A by 2 whole square to left hand side, then it will become A square minus A square by 4 square कर दिया मैंने is equal to BC square. On calculating 4A square minus A square, 3A square divided by 4 is equal to BC square, right? BC square. थोड़ा ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When I am writing in this corner, it will came slowly. Okay, this is what the value of BC square is, nothing but R square. BC square is nothing but here R square. Now substitute this value in this equation. This is enough. Okay, इधर क्या है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ Gm by R square है. R square के प्लेस में 3A square by 4 को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना. I will substitute this one in our next page. Keep tuning. Okay, इधर देख, understand हो रहा है ना? Let me know if you are not getting miss. Let me know quickly. Okay, ये R square का वैल्यू आ गया हमको 3A square by 4. ये था A by 2. This is also A, right? Actual top electric field strength at this point y के ऊपर due to M2 था, correct ना? Then it will be Gm divided by M2 is nothing but M only, I told you initially, R square, correct ना? Now substitute Gm divided by R square का वैल्यू कितना था, 3A square divided by 4. Denominator of the denominator, I will write once again, no problem. This is the denominator. Denominator of the denominator is 4. It will comes to numerator. Hence electric field strength at point किधर y के ऊपर कितना होता है, 4Gm divided by 3A square. Clear? Let me know how many of you are understood this one, guys. Ballari, which school is this one? Bijapur, Chitradurga. How are you all? I think today is the first time you people are joined here. Bijapur, I think. Okay, that's great. No problem. Yes, thank you. Good. And meanwhile, guys, if you are not understanding me, please drop a message in a chat box. I will try to solve your doubts. Clear enough? And moreover, what are the problem I solved? The same problem will be copied to electrostatics. If in your schools teachers will start the electrostatic, means same kind of a problem will come, and then you definitely feel that one. Clear enough? Okay. Okay, now I have a curiosity here. इधर देखो 4 masses हैं, M1, M2, M3, M4. This is a geometry is symmetry. Correct now? Arrangement is completely symmetric. Okay, I'm asking that at the midpoint x के ऊपर what will be the gravitational field strength? ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ कितना होता है? मे आई नो? The masses are arranged in a symmetrical order. Yes, right. The value will be, try it. Think it, guys. The value will be here 0 because it's a symmetry. Symmetrical arrangement may it in every point from the symmetry in middle of the object, the value of E will be 0 hota hai. This is damn sure. Okay, coming to here. Here on hollow sphere is there. Kya hai? Hollow sphere. Okay, hollow sphere, its mass is uniformly distributed. And now let me know at the midpoint x point में electric field strength कितना होता है? I'm expecting the answer from everyone. Everyone, please do participate in the chat box and let me know what will be the correct answer for this one. Now, great, again, great effort. Again, at this point also, the value will be 0. In a hollow sphere or everywhere, if the mass is covered means inside at middle, the value will become 0. Iska gravitational field strength or else gravitational field intensity. Hope it is clear for everyone. Hope it is clear. Keep this in your mind, remind. Okay, it will be helpful in our coming concepts also. Yes, of course, we are moving towards the next concept. इधर concept है क्या है ना? This is a mass. This is an object of mass m है. Okay, this is another object whose mass is 4m. Actually, these two are separated by a distance of 9 centimeter. How much? 9 centimeter. Sure. This one now, this what I'm writing, same one, right? देखो इधर. This here, two masses are there. This is mass m and this is mass 4m. They are separated by a distance of 9 centimeter. Separation distance from their center will be 9 centimeter. Now I want to know in which point along the line joining, a line join hai na, in which point the value of gravitational field strength will become 0. Which point mein along this line, in which point the gravitational field strength E value will be become 0. Okay, isko calculate karna. This is also same question will repeat in a electrostatic. Electrostatic में क्या बोलता है ना, इधर एक चार्ज है प्लस क्यू, इधर एक चार्ज है प्लस 3q. ओके, ये दोनों को बीच में फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्शन होता है ड्यू टू दी पॉजिटिव चार्ज. ओके, एंड देन in which point along the line joining, okay, in which point the electric field intensity or strength will become 0. Same question repeat होता है उधर भी. ओके, ध्यान से सुनो इसको. ओके, सिंपल का कहा है, कैसे कैलकुलेट करता है देखो इधर. मान लो ड्यू टू दी स्मॉल मास m, इसका फील्ड विल बी बहुत छोटा होता है. ड्यू टू दी बड़ा मास m, इसका फील्ड बहुत ज्यादा होता है. दैट्स व्हाई what I'm going to treat no at this point. I don't know. I'm going to take x distance from the mass m. The value will be, E value will be 0 hota hai. X distance. I don't know what is that x. Okay, if it is x means what will be the remaining distance? Total distance is 9 centimeter. X to gaya. Then remaining thing will be 9 minus x hota hai. Correct now? 9 minus x. Okay. Now at this point we need to calculate the gravitational field strength. That's why gravitational field strength E is equal to g m divided by x square. सेपरेशन डिस्टेंस एट दैट पॉइंट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट। फर्स्ट क्लास में यही सिखाया था मैंने तुमको, आप सभी को, और देयर इन माय क्लास नो दैट टाइम actually I taught this concept only. At that point, if we want to find out the gravitational field strength, means from the mass how much distance it is there, that is what we need to mention, right? Okay. And then from the bada mass m, the gravitational field strength at this x point kya hota hai, it will be g 4 times m divided by 9 minus x square hota na, this is small mass, 9 minus x square hota hai, correct na? Okay, these are the 2 points we need to write down first. And then electric field intensity का direction किधर किधर होता है, mass की तरफ होता है, means किधर होता है due to small mass, right side होता है due to capital mass. ये दोनों क्या है, equal होना चाहिए at this point, opposite direction में होना चाहिए, that time only these two value will become 0. Equal होना चाहिए, correct ना? That's why it's very simple. I'm going to call this one E1. This is E2. What I will do? I will do equate these two. E1 is equal to E2, but they are in opposite direction. Clear है ना? खत्म कहानी. Now E1 का value substitute करो इधर, G m divided by x square. Right hand side में 4 times G m divided by 9 minus x whole square, right? Either gm cancel each other, correct now? Then remaining thing will be, take 9 minus, cross multiply this one, 9 minus x whole square is equal to 4 x square इधर था ना, उधर ही छोड़ दो, divided by x square. क्यों लेके आना है इधर, काम नहीं है क्या हमको, right? इधर 4. Up to this point I hope you everybody is following. Next इधर देखो, ये पूरा सिस्टम को क्या लिखता है मैंने, 9 minus x divided by x whole square. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं ना, is equal to 4. If this square will comes to right hand side क्या होता है, under root of 2, 4 क्या होता है, 2 होता है. I will write here again, I will write this one here. देखो 9 minus x divided by x is equal to under root of 4, right? Now under root of 4 means it will be 2, correct ना? इधर 9 minus x, ये x को इधर मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2x हो गया, right? And then minus x को right hand side लेके आ जाना, then 9 is equal to 3x होता है, 2x minus x right side means plus x, correct ना? 3 1s are 3 3s are, correct? Then x value will become 3 centimeter. Guys सुनो इधर, x is equal to 3 centimeter from the small mass m, the value of gravitational field strength due to these two masses will become 0, right? Understood what I actually derived here? दो masses है, इधर एक mass है, means ये mass के वजह से at this point some gravitational field strength होता है, this point also, this point also. As the distance increases means gravitational field intensity decrease होता जाता है, distance increases means, okay? Now due to these two couple of masses along the line joining point, we find it that at which point the gravitational field strength will become 0. That's it, okay? From the mass m at a distance 3 centimeter में, कितना सेंटीमीटर, 3 सेंटीमीटर में क्या हो गया, gravitational field strength will become 0 due to 4 mass m also. Clear? Let me know in a chat box, is it clear? Quickly. Yes, I got one response. सिमिलर क्वेश्चन आता है इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में, उधर करना पड़ता है आपको, ओके सेम. बट इधर क्या है ना, वो एक एडवांटेज बोलता हूँ मैंने, एक एडवांटेज क्या है मींस Either masses what we are taking. These two are masses, no. M and M. Either it may be 4m or m. Okay. Mass will not become positive and we can't say negative. We will not say like this. But in electrostatics charge होता है ना, charges में positive charge आता है, negative charge आता है, right? Due to positive charge repulsion होता है, due to negative charge repulsion होता है, and one positive charge or negative charge means at the time electric field strength change होता रहता है. Okay, very important thing is that whenever you are getting a time, no, please do go through vectors. Vectors is very important in this chapter. This chapter also electrostatics also. Cool. Okay, we'll move to the next concept. Concept है, अच्छा है ये concept. Guys, सुनो, this is a special concept. Okay. क्या है ना, इधर येलो कलर स्ट्रिप दिख रहा है ना, दिस इज अ स्ट्रिप whose mass is m, and it is actually a portion of a sphere. एक स्पीयर का पोर्शन है, एक पूरा स्पीयर लिया था ना हम. ओके, ये पूरा हॉलो स्पीयर में सेंटर में क्या हुआ था, ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ विल बिकम 0. But now we are finding that what will be the gravitational field strength only for this much of length. कितना का? This much only we are taking now. Okay, this much mass and length का gravitational field strength क्या होता है, इसको find out करना है, right? And after then I will prove that this value will be how the value will become 0 also. Just give me a couple of minutes and stay with me, then definitely you will got to know how this will be happen. Clear now? Okay, fine. Okay, guys, this is a mass m. At this point we need to calculate the value of gravitational field strength. E stands for लिख दो gravitational field strength. Okay, already I told you that it's a part of a sphere. Then from this point to here the distance है ना, इसको हम कहते हैं radius r, and from this point also the distance will be radius होता है, radius. Now what I will do, listen, सुनो, ध्यान से सुनो, ये दोनों को बीच में एंगल है ना, इसको मैं कहता हूं phi. क्या है इसका एंगल? I will write this one outside. Okay, it is better. बहुत सारे लिखना पड़ता है इधर, that's why. This angle will be phi होता है. Okay, phi है. What I will do? Now I'm going to divide this one into two terms. क्या होता है two terms? देखो इधर, इसको मैंने divide कर दिया दोनों साइड. ओके, बिकॉज ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ क्या होता है, E is equal to G m by r square होता है, separation distance. For this the mass is not at one point now, mass is actually distributed at every point. Mass is distributed at every point. Now we can't able to use this formula directly and we can't able to substitute the terms also. If we substitute it here, then it will become wrong. मैंने बोल दिया था लास्ट क्लास में, क्या? This is a mass m and length L. This is a point mass of mass m which is kept at a distance of a. Then what will be the gravitational force between the two objects? पूछा था मैंने उस दिन, क्या लिखे थे आप लोग? This L plus a को addition कर दिए थे, L by 2 plus a कर दिए थे r के प्लेस में. That becomes wrong. Correct ना? At the time what you did, mass per unit length लिए थे, right? नेनपी दिया. In a similar way, here also we need to take mass per unit length here. Then only we can do, or else we can't able to do anything here. Clear enough? But however, the value to find out the gravitational field strength will be same. G will be equal to, sorry. F will be, so E will be equal to, लिख दो इसको, तो कॉर्नर में रहना है, E is equal to G M by डिस्टेंस R स्क्वायर, जनरल फॉर्मूला है, ये क्या है, जनरल फॉर्मूला है, करेक्ट ना? ओके, विल जंप टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. दिस इज द टोटल एंगल बिटवीन अ टू कोनिक, इधर सेक्शन में 5 है, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू हियर इट विल बिकम 5/2, right? And then towards the right side it will become 5/2, 5/2 towards left, 5/2 towards right. Okay, then what will be the angle varying? How it is varying? Mass will be varying from this end A to B. Mass will be varying from A to B with the angle, shall I call this one as an minus 5/2 to plus 5/2? Shall we call this one as an minus 5/2 to plus 5/2? Correct ना? लिखो इधर, mass is distributed, mass is distributed from minus 5/2 to plus 5/2, right? Minus 5/2 plus 5/2, mass is varying. If you know up to this point means, then remaining thing will be easy होता है. क्या है remaining thing? देखो इधर, सुन, सेम कहानी है. At this point we need to find out the gravitational field strength. This is the midpoint, correct ना? Now what I will do, थोड़ा problem हो गया क्या sir? Last, yeah, I will come to the last step again. This is some hint I am going to take. Okay, I will give the hint and I will come again in that slide only we will solve the problem. Okay, थोड़ा कुछ करना है, that's why I came here. Okay, be stay there, no worries. Okay, now what I will want to do means, this is the angle कितना है, this is 5/2 है, mass per unit length लेना पड़ता है. That's why what I will do now, इधर सुन, I will take छोटा सा mass here, one small mass I will take. I will call this one as an dm mass. dm mass, उधर लिया था ना mass per unit length, इधर भी same है, mass total mass per unit length है, इधर तो small mass divided by unit length क्या होता है इसको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है. That's it. ओके, इधर से क्या करता हूं मैंने, छोटा के मास के ऊपर दो लाइन खींचता हूं, like that I am going to draw two lines from the center. Total angle था 5/2. I am going to call this angle as an theta. क्या कह रहा हूं मैंने, theta. Theta is the angle for a small mass. For a small mass, theta is the angle, and the distance from this point called P to dm. This distance is remaining r only. Correct now? I'm going to write this one outside here. Outside I'm going to write here. देखो ऐसा है. This is the angle d theta, or this is what, छोटा mass dm, छोटा सा mass dm. Correct है ना? This is actually part of a sphere था. Okay, done. इधर mass dm है, dm है, length कौन सा है, length means this is what the length, no, a to b, this is the length. ये लेंथ को, ये भी है ना, ये भी in mathematics you will call this one as an arc length. क्या बोलते हैं आप, arc length. How you define the arc length? If I call arc length as an s means, yes को how you will define? Let me know in a chat box, guys. Arc length, how you will define arc length? Arc length. My voice is perfectly reaching right now for everyone. I will come back to that slide. Yes, that's great. That's great. Here arc length ko radius into theta we are going to multiply. Theta means here d theta. Correct na? This is what the length. Correct na? Then instead of L we can write here r into d theta. R into d theta होता है. करेक्ट ना? सुनो ध्यान से. नाउ अगेन क्या क्या आता है देखो इधर. ड्यू टू कैपिटल मास इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ विल बी उसके तरफ होता था. ओके ना. ड्यू टू हियर एट दिस पॉइंट ड्यू टू दिस स्मॉल मास इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ विल बी इन दिस डायरेक्शन ओनली. विद द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ का वैल्यू डी होता है. कैसे देखो. दिस अ मास m. ये मास m की वजह से एट दिस पॉइंट x पॉइंट में at a distance r electric field strength in which direction it will be act in this direction. No, electric field strength electric force, sorry, gravitational field strength, gravitational field force value will be towards that one. Similarly at this point exactly आज हमारा बच्चों को क्लास लिए थे गाइस मॉर्निंग 3 hours कंटिन्यूअसली. पापा ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ओके देखो दिस इज छोटा मास, दिस इज टोटल मास. ऑन दिस छोटा मास फॉर ऑन स्मॉल मास इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डायरेक्शन विल बी इन दिस डायरेक्शन होता है. कैसे इधर देखो एक मास है एट दिस पॉइंट x पॉइंट में एट ए डिस्टेंस r डिस्टेंस द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डायरेक्शन विल बी टुवर्ड्स द मास. हियर आल्सो this is the point where we need to actually find out the electric field down में r के down में. at that point electric field direction किधर होता है point mass के ऊपर होता है. here electric field का value e होना चाहिए था but इधर small mass था ना dm, इसके वजह से d है electric field. clear clear. if you know this one, no, definitely I'm damn sure 4 concept clear होता है. if you know only one concept means आपको 4 concepts clear होता है मान लो. right okay that is done. okay like this this is d correct now. actually देखो इधर इधर भी एक d लेते हैं, dm मास लेते हैं, dm मास. okay if I take dm मास, टाइम तो बहुत है यार. I will no worry. Here also same kahani, d will be acting in this direction and a chota mass d. But if I write this one separately, I will write this one separately. do listen here. देखो ये भी एक d है इधर. okay this is the midpoint. इधर भी एक d है in this direction. correct ना. they are actually separated by an angle theta from the center. center से separate हो गया. correct ना. up to this point is understood now. then it is very easy, कोई problem नहीं. actually this d is not in x axis direction, not in y axis direction. थोड़ा slight हो गया है. some angle theta that is pi by 2 we told. पूरा का pi by 2 था. this is very small angle theta दोनों साइड. okay along the x axis d cos theta को रेजोल्यूशन करने से क्या मिलता है आपको. d this is cos theta, theta function will be here. d cos theta मिलता है इधर. okay this one will be d sin theta. for this one de1 you will write, no problem, right hand side. this is d1 cos theta. in a similar way left hand side also I will erase this one. I think you write this one, no, arc length वगैरह वगैरह easy है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. okay then this is d2 मान लो. okay along the x axis प्लस होता है सेम वेक्टर d cos theta. along the y axis not along this axis sin theta axis में de2 sin theta. correct now. now actually these two masses, small masses which we took, no, they are very tiny masses both the side. along the axis है ना d sin theta, this will be produce the same field strength. that's why and opposite direction में these two cancel each other. remaining thing क्या है इधर d1 cos theta plus d2 cos theta. similar way if I'm going to divide this chota mass either like this, small masses both the side like this. ध्यान से सुनो, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड very easy also. If you know this one means everything will be very easy. Okay, like this छोटा छोटा masses है ना, इसका हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट होता है ना, डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में कैंसिल ईच अदर होता है. ओनली डी cos थीटा फंक्शन है ना, वर्टिकल अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, ये ऐड होता जाता है. ओके, इधर डी cos थीटा को ऐड करना है पूरा का पूरा, d1 cos थीटा प्लस d2 cos थीटा प्लस de3 cos थीटा. cos थीटा फंक्शन इज कांस्टेंट एवरीवेयर एंड de है ना, d1 d2 d3 d4, इधर de1 de2 de3, like that we need to add along with the cos theta function. This adding is nothing but adding, or summation is nothing but mathematics में integration. मैथमेटिक्स में इंटीग्रेशन करना है. कहां से कहां तक? देखो, masses will be from this point A to from this point B तक इंटीग्रेशन करना पड़ता है. That's it. These are all the basic things which I explained. Now the real game will be start. Come back to this slide. इधर देखो, देखो इधर, हाँ क्या करना है, हाँ d, स्मॉल d है ना इधर, इसके ऊपर इधर भी एक छोटा मास है, d का वैल्यू पता करना है. d विल बी इक्वल टू, एक्चुअली e का फॉर्मूला हम पता है ना, gm/r², लिख दो इधर. बट इधर क्या करना है, ऐड करना है सबको, gm/r². बट इधर m हमको नहीं लेना है, क्योंकि बिकॉज वी टुक हियर ओनली स्मॉल मास, दैट इज dm. करेक्ट ना? दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू रिप्लेस हियर दिस m by dm. dm को रिप्लेस किया, r स्मॉल r² इतना, that r² value will be changed by radius, that is capital R². Clear? खत्म कहानी. Hope it is understood to everyone. Now we need to solve everything. Total electric field को solve करना पड़ता है. Up to this point is understood, right, to everyone? Let me know. D value we need to calculate, that's fine. Is there anything we did mistake? No. Everything is correct only. Okay. Totally ये D वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करना है. कैसे? ओके, D का वैल्यू क्या आ गया था, देखो इधर सुनो, E वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू DE1 DE2, उसका कैलकुलेट करना हो. साइन, सॉरी, वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन क्या आया था, cos थीटा फंक्शन आया था ना, यस करेक्ट, cos थीटा. इसको इंटीग्रेशन करना है. D मींस क्या होता है, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, D, दिस इज व्हाट इज D. करेक्ट ना? इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करने से D का वैल्यू क्या है, G dm डिवाइडेड बाय r² sin थीटा. एंड ये dm वैल्यू है ना, ओके, पहले क्या करना है, कांस्टेंट वैल्यू को बाहर रखो. कांस्टेंट वैल्यू कौन कौन है, G है डिवाइडेड बाय r² है, G है डिवाइडेड बाय r² कांस्टेंट. ओके, dm और देन sin थीटा into dm. ओके, एंड सो मेनी ऑफ यू विल डू लाइक दिस. sin थीटा आ गया, इंटीग्रेशन है, इंटीग्रेशन कर दो. नहीं करना, इंटीग्रेशन करो. क्यों? बिकॉज इधर थीटा है sin, फंक्शन है dm, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई वी कांट एबल टू इंटीग्रेट दिस वन, राइट? हियर dm के अलावा कौन आना चाहिए, d थीटा आना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू ब्रिंग d थीटा. आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू ब्रिंग दिस वन. एंड इंटीग्रेशन लिमिट क्या है इधर, -π/2 से +π/2. कीप दिस वन इन योर पॉइंट, -π/2 to +π/2, -π/2 से +π/2. एंड दिस dm वैल्यू किधर है, देखो इधर, इधर है dm वैल्यू, मास पर यूनिट लेंथ, dm बाय यूनिट लेंथ क्या था, r इंटू डी थीटा, आर्क लेंथ. करेक्ट ना? dm का वैल्यू क्या आता है इधर से, dm इज इक्वल टू, ये लेंथ है ना, लेंथ इज नथिंग बट हियर रेडियस. ये रेडियस रेडियस कैंसिल होता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, रेडियस रेडियस कैंसिल होता है. देन dm इज इक्वल टू m d थीटा होता है. dm का वैल्यू क्या होता है, m d थीटा. This value you need to substitute in this point. dm के ऊपर substitute करना पड़ता. Then it will become g by r square and then minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. इधर sin theta dm के प्लेस में क्या लिखना है, m d theta, m d theta. Here again m will be constant, take it outside, then it will become gm integration from minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 sin theta into d theta. From this point onwards guys, I will give you the homework to you. क्या है ना, ये टोटल ये आ गया, sin theta को cos theta आता है, right? What I am saying, sorry, this is cos theta, right? Why I am taking sin theta? Nobody is informed also. Still we are not yet integrated. क्या है guys? ತಲ್ಲೀನರಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. cos theta है, cos theta ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು, ರೈಟ್? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? cos theta into d theta. cos theta na if you are going to integrate means you will get a sin theta, right? And then apply the limit minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, you will get an answer. आंसर देखो बहुत सुंदर है एंड वेरी सिंपल है. आंसर है gm by r square, इधर 2 sin 5 by 2 मिलता है. आंसर क्या मिलता है? 2 sin 5 by 2, right? This is what very important equation everywhere. In electrostatics also it is very important and gravitation also it is very important. ठीक है ना? Let me know up to this point is understood, right? एक इधर से कैरी कर लो आप. इंटीग्रेशन करना बहुत आसान है. If you don't know means I will explain. If you don't know means I will explain. If you want means tell me, I will explain. Or else calculate करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Now at this point gravitational field कितना मिला? strength gm by r into 2 sin 5 by 2. Note this one. Note this one. I know it takes lot of time, but it is very important. Clear है ना? Okay. सुन, if you note down this one, no, इधर सुन. इतना डिस्टेंस के ऊपर, राइट? at this point x point के ऊपर gravitational field strength मिला हमको, E is equal to, E value will be equal to gm by r square into 2 sin 5 by 2. 2 sin 5 by 2. One more is 5 missing. I don't know where it is missed. One second, be in line. Length है ना, mass per unit length. Oh shit, I mistaken. Here mass per unit length L है ना, L means r into 5 पूरा लेना है 5. Okay, इधर on small correction guys, इधर 5 होता है. If you add 5 here means then 5 value will become here also. Okay, correct this one. This is also 5. Note on this one how it will be effect. Here you can see here. Okay, r square, shit. Laptop, there 5 है. Okay, this is what the equation for this point. If I'm going to consider for a half of the ring, ये क्या है? Ring half है. Okay, it is varying from, phi is nothing but angle guys, phi is nothing but angle. It will be vary from 0 in this direction up to 180 degree, 0 to 180. क्लियर है ना? 0 to 180. 180 को हम कहते हैं पाई, करेक्ट ना? एट दिस पॉइंट y पॉइंट के ऊपर ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ कितना होता है पूछता है. ओके, इफ आई वांट टू कैलकुलेट दिस वन, यूज दिस फार्मूला. सिंपल, E is equal to gm divided by r square 5 2 sin 5 by 2. बाहर कर लो or else remember it. ओके, phi का वैल्यू कितना है? पाई 180 डिग्री है. लिख दो इधर the E value will be equal to gm divided by r square. Pi means pi into 2 sin pi by 2. pi का वैल्यू pi है by 2. sin pi by 2 it is nothing but sin 90. sin 90 का वैल्यू होता है 1. करेक्ट ना? ये sin 90 का वैल्यू कितना होता है? 1 होता है. राइट? 1 into 2, 2 itself. Correct what I am saying? Then the electric field strength at this point will become E is equal to gm divided by r square pi into 2. This is for semi ring. semi ring clear है ना? देखो एक टॉपिक किए थे हम. we did actually one topic. we did one topic. in this one topic actually दो problem solve होता है. for a short range value we solve and we solve the equation for a semi ring. semi ring के लिए क्या आ गया? pi 2 gm divided by r square into pi आ गया. clear है ना? next, is it understood? right? let me know, is it understood? those who are in a class, please let me know, is it understood? are you there? okay, that's great, that's great. So no, hope it is understood. Similarly, I have another one. yes, good. Similarly, we have another one. it is actually quarter of the complete ring. means इसका बीच में एंगल कितना होता है? 90 डिग्री होता है. राइट? एट दिस पॉइंट, x के पॉइंट के ऊपर मुझे क्या चाहिए? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए. सॉरी, व्हाई आई एम सेइंग ऑलवेज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ, आई डोंट नो. ओके, ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए मुझे. कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला रिमेंबर करो ऑलवेज. E is equal to 2, सॉरी आई विल राइट प्रॉपर वन, पहले से लिखते हैं. E is equal to gm divided by r square 5. करेक्ट ना? 2 साइन, मेरे साथ बोलो, ट्राई करो, साइन ऑफ 5 by 2. okay, when you will enter to the 12th standard, no, physics is very easy 12th standard में, but the formulas will be coming like a stars in a sky. sky में कितना stars होता है ना, उतना formulas आ जाता है. okay, try to remember all the things. okay, here the value mass will be vary from A to B. okay, this angle will be vary from 0 to इधर pi by 2. इधर pi के रिप्लेस करना है, that's it, कुछ भी नहीं है. 0 to pi by 2 करना है. क्लियर है ना? and E value will be equal to gm divided by r square. pi means again up to pi by 2 है. करेक्ट ना? pi by 2 into 2 साइन ऑफ पाई का प्लेस में पाई बाई 2 है, इंटू डिनोमिनेटर में 2 भी है. ध्यान से करो when we are doing this. okay, denominator of the denominator comes to numerator. this value will comes to numerator. then E value will be equal to 2 gm divided by r square pi into 2 sin pi by 4. sin pi by 4, it is nothing but 45 degree. guys, may I know what is the value of sin 45? what is the value of sin 45? अरे यार बोलो ना, आई एम वेटिंग. 2 मिनट्स में खत्म करते हैं आज का क्लास. कल और एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आता हूँ मैं. कल से बहुत मजा आता है डेफिनेटली. ग्रेट 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 गाइस. ओके, साइन पाई बाई 2 का वैल्यू होता है 1 बाई रूट. ओके, साइन 45 लिख दो इधर. 2 gm डिवाइडेड बाई r स्क्वायर पाई इंटू 2 बाई रूट 2. साइन 45 1 बाई रूट. करेक्ट ना? इधर नेक्स्ट स्टेप देखो. 2 gm डिवाइडेड बाई r स्क्वायर पाई इंटू 2 है ना, इसको मैंने लिखता हूँ रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 डिवाइडेड बाई रूट 2. रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 इज नथिंग बट रूट 4. रूट 4 इज नथिंग बट 2 है ना. दिस 2 will be get cancelled. एंड फाइनल आंसर व्हाट वी गॉट हियर, देखो फाइनल आंसर आ गया 2gm डिवाइडेड बाय r square pi into root 2. Okay, this is what the field strength at this point x. X point में कितना आ गया 2gm root 2 by r square pi. Okay, you can remember like this also. कैसे gm by r square pi into 2 root 2. एक किसके लिए for a quarter ring. Quarter ring. Okay, hope you all understood this one, right? Right. कल करते हैं gravitational variation of gravitational field for a hollow sphere, solid sphere, and then how the value will be vary from inside the sphere से बाहर जाने में, और बहुत चीजें मैंने अच्छे से explain करता हूँ कल. If holiday is there means day of the tomorrow. Okay, hope you all understood. If you have any doubt means please drop your doubt in the chat box right now. Understood, right? How was the class? How was the class? Good. Thank you. And everybody is feeling comfortable, right, with me? I'm asking about everyone. My voice is reaching right for everyone. Thank you guys. Chitradurga, Bijapur. DTP now. I don't know what is that. Wait. Yeah. Okay, bye Chitradurga guys. Hey, it's me. It is possible to get a DPP or model. Hi, if you are a Prasanna, DPP means क्या होता है यार? I didn't get you. Please do text me in a chat box. What is that DPP? Digital printout, huh? Are you asking digital printout? Study material. Study material आपको क्लास में देता है ना? Presentation. Okay. Actually क्या है ना? In your class group, you are in a group, right? Class 11th group. Class 11th group, if you touch the main bar, okay, in the description there is an few links. Okay, वो link में notes मिलता है आपको. What are the things which I'm going to study inside the classroom? No, do inside the classroom. I'm going to upload these things in the form of PDF there in that link only. Okay. Or else you want study material means study material तो बहुत मिलता है यार गूगल करने से. Okay. Study ही नहीं होता. कन्नड़ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಮಾರಾಯ. Don't worry. आपके स्टाइल अलग है. Thank you bro. Thanks a lot. Thank you Prasanna. Thank you. Okay, it's been a time, and if you want study material means do text me in a chat box or else in seed group में message करो Prasanna. Okay, I will send you few study materials also. ठीक है ना? Right? Okay then. Bye bye. We'll see you in a tomorrow class. Take care.